Oh my God. The way I'm feeling right now, I had to come back. I had to come back, you know. I had to come back on the air, okay? Sally Ann's sisters and almost her whole family is on Our This Morning News. I had to come back and film again, okay? Look at this. Making Sally Ann cry, I guess. I think that's her mom, I think. Look like Miss Sally Ann is in tears. I hope y'all can hear this.
Wow. I videoed that probably 10 years ago or so. So why'd y'all do that?
That's Robin Roberts and that's Miss Dorothy.
I know.
Eric, let's add one more person to the party. That's Sally, your husband.
Oh, her husband. Oh, look. Oh, yes. Look. Oh.
Sit right down here. Sit right down here. Here we go.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, you girls come here. Come on now.
I'm sorry for the screen now. It's kind of messed up.
I'm going to have a breakdown.
Look at the whole family, y'all.
I'm just so filled with gratitude for my husband, my family, my extended family.
Extended family.
My dear friend for life. My friend. He said, "You coming out on the snow already? Where's Mama? Where's Daddy?" Here you go.
There you go.
He said, "I'm not used to being around so many people."
Oh, really?
But you know, the thing I want to say is, as I was on my way in this morning, I just really feel that this chapter of my life has come to an end. But this is not the end of my friendships, my community. Oh, my hair's all over my head. I know that the best is yet to come. You know, the song that comes to my mind right now, and I'm sorry you had to endure my voice. My mama can sing, but...
That was beautiful.
All right, folks.
I wanted to say is we are...
Now back to my chair. Okay. You know what? I mean, by me watching her last day on Channel 4, I almost cried myself. Okay. I mean, imagine that so many years, people love you and stuff like that. When you be nice to people and stuff like that, you know. I mean, it brings a tear to your eye, you know. I mean, I'm trying not to cry on there, okay. Like I cried my second season when I lost my friend Barry Olivier and never had a chance to appear on my show, you know, because I tried to contact him a long time ago, never had a chance to, you know. All right, so Robin Roberts is there. I had to come back on to show y'all, okay. I mean, I'm trying not to cry, you know. I mean, tears is building up. Maybe it's gonna explode or whatever, you know. So, I mean, it's kind of bittersweet, happy, sad at the same time, you know. Yeah, but anyway, Miss Sally Ann, if you're watching this video, I want to say thank you for so many years of of your service on Channel 4. You've been doing your thing since my mom was a teenager, since my mom's siblings was teenagers, you know. So we gonna truly miss you, you know. All right. So the thing is, I wish my grandmother would have been here to watch on your last day. You know, she enjoyed watching you every morning. You know, and then one time she switched to another channel after you're going off and stuff like that to watch this and that. You know. So, but the thing is, we can't turn back the hands of time. You know. And if Frank Davis would have been here, he would have came visit. Andre Trevine would have still been alive. She would have been visiting. Not only that, who else? Don Westbrook. So I'm not surprised that Lee Zurich didn't show up, and David Bernard and John Gum. You know, but at least Rob Nelson called in. You know, and Laura Bucktail, you know, and Governor John Bell Edwards, you know, and Michelle Miller came in, you know. All right, so that's all I got to say. All right, thank you so much. Oh, let me show y'all this cake. They have a cake right there. All right, so. I know y'all tired of me taking this camera and everything, you know. So, alright, thank y'all for watching this video, okay? And look like Sally Ann is about to be in tears too, you know. Just like Angela Hill was in tears on her last day, you know. Alright, thank y'all for watching this video, okay? Alright. And Sally Ann, Miss Sally Ann Roberts, thank you for and another thing I want to tell you, thank you so much for coming to my elementary school in 1997 to be our speaker. I wish I would have had a camera. I would have put you on video. I saw you in person. You were tall, you know. I don't know how tall you are because I done grew when I was coming up, you know. I wish I could. All right, thank y'all for watching. I'm about to sign off this myself. Okay, thank y'all for watching, and thank you for visiting Stuart Bradley when I was young in 1997. But I was a little too nervous to come speak to you in person. Okay. I don't know if you remember me, but I never had a chance to talk to you. So that's all I gotta say. All right. God bless you. Thank you for so many years on WWL. Okay. Goodbye.